What's up guys, today I'll be giving a comprehensive review of the newly released Sacai Waffle in the white nylon colorway. Now let's start off with the box. Now this is nothing new, it is seen on all previous Sacai Waffle models. It is just a classic orange Nike box which slides out. Now sliding out the box, the first thing we see is the Sacai Nike wrapping paper, which is really nice. Now these shoes did retail for 260 Australian dollars or 160 US dollars, which is not too bad considering resale right now. I would definitely advise you pick these up right now if you were looking to buy them, as I do believe they'll go up over time. The first thing you'll notice when you get this shoe in hand is that the whole entire upper is made of a completely different material to what we are used to seeing on previous Nike Sacai Waffle collabs. Rather than being made of a mesh material, it is made of a nylon material, as you can see. Now this nylon material is a lot more plush, and in my opinion it looks a lot better than the previous ones. It makes the shoe look so much more clean, as well as I'm sure it will make the shoe a lot more comfortable just because of its softness. Moving on to the swoosh. We still have that classic double swoosh we have seen in all other Nike Sacai collabs, except this time one of them is made of just the classic leather and the other one is made of a premium suede, which is seen throughout the whole entire shoe actually, on the toe box and on the heel counter, where you will also see the Nike Sacai branding. Looking at the laces now, these laces are something different. I'm sure you could not tell in the photos as it did not give them justice. However, these laces, if you look closely, are actually made of, well, there's actually two sets of laces. One of them is made out of a ribbon material, which is something you'd see on like a present or something. And then the other one is like a thinner, more stiff lace. And together, it is an interesting combination, but personally, I actually quite like it. However, if you do not like it, which I'm sure quite a few of you will not, Nike has got you covered with regular white laces, which they've provided. Now, moving on to the tongue. I know everyone has seen this before, the double Sacai Nike tongue. However, I'd just like to point out one small difference, and it's that the tongue on top actually has the foam exposed, and the tongue underneath it has it all stitched up. So I reckon that's quite a nice touch, because sliding your foot in every day may like mess up that foam, so it might be good to have just a stitched up one at the bottom. And at the bottom we see the classic Sacai waffle sole. Nothing different here, just a white sole. I will say though that these are very comfortable and they are actually quite plush. Overall, I think these are a really nice shoe, really clean, and if you ever get the chance to pick these up, I would definitely recommend it. The materials to the little laces, details, everything just ties it together, and I think it makes such a nice shoe. If you're still watching to this point in the video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed. Let me know how you guys feel about the new Sacai waffles, and I have more videos coming very soon.